Hi guys, it's MZP Bushcraft. Today I want to show you my survival garden. So there, all these plants need a drink, but I'll do it at the end of the day. But I've got 3 bundles of tomato plants there. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a squash there that's growing. Nothing here is growing yet, but I did plant some carrot seeds. In that little gap there should be some beetroots and some runner beans. Here I've got radishes, but they haven't grown properly for some reason, and they've just gone straight to seed, and there's another one there. I've got mint, more tomatoes, I put more carrots in there. I've got a whole range of different things that some are growing, some aren't. There's like some cherry trees and some hawthorn trees. Don't know what else really. All radishes, obviously. Those pots have strawberry seeds in, but they haven't grown yet. I've got runner beans. I'm planning on planting some more strawberries. There, I've got more runner beans. Them 2 tyres behind the fence are potatoes. There's another one there that has potatoes in. A few more over there that have potatoes in because it's like a good food source. I put some more tomato seeds in that bag. But I planted a lot because, well, obviously you want some variety. And there is one runner bean growing there. I don't know if you can see it. Over here I've got 2 cherry tree saplings I dug out on the floor. Some radishes that are growing. Back here that I didn't actually plant, but this is milk thistle. It's a good plant because it has lots of medical uses. I've read a book and it said it helps depression and some other things. Well, I can't really remember. I've got these peppers that are growing. They're growing pretty good though compared to the others. Some blueberries that are in there but haven't grown because I've only just planted them again. I've got some lettuce, garlic and plantain, which are medical plants. And under this little pot that's acting like a greenhouse, I've got a few tomato seeds I planted. Pretty much it, I think, already. But I harvested all the potatoes. There weren't that many, so I just planted them all again because they were pretty small. But in the pots, obviously, because it's so much easier to get them out, and I think you get more. But they're growing pretty good, and I know there's not enough here to sustain someone, but you can obviously expand, and we have got a big patch of tomatoes and more beans and 2 strawberry plants that are growing and gooseberry bush and a load of different things. But this is just my little bit, and then I've got a few plants back there. But you could trade the items like in my last video. These are coming into season now. We've got a sweet pea that's got some little pods now. Needs de-weeding again, and that can be all sorted out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Over here though, radishes, they've probably been my favourite so far because I've grown 2 lots now. 2 different species, like scarlet ones and another breed that I forgot, or whatever you call it. I've just put chainsaw shavings from a tree on there just to hold in some of the moisture, and in this big bucket is all the rainwater, and I've mixed in some just some broken up sticks and some other stuff to act as like a fertilising water, I guess. And I've just got a bucket of mud that I've been planting in recently, or today. So hopefully I wish this to expand, and I've got some carrots in the greenhouse. But this is just my first little bit, and I'll show you in there actually. Alright, so we're in here now. I've got some onions that are going to seed, and I've picked the worst possible pot what I got given, because this has no holes at the bottom to let the water drain. So I've been pouring some out. I've got I can't remember the name of this plant, but it's a woodland flower thing. it's meant to look really nice. I've got the 2 pots of potatoes. I think my dad just planted a bluebell in here for some reason. This is the gooseberry bush that has loads of thorns on. And the second lot of radishes that I've got pretty big actually. Oh. These actually sting for some reason, like stinging nettle, so more potatoes in them 2 black buckets. The sweet pea, I think foxtail or sage, which is like flour. Or foxtail is 2 more potatoes, another one, more runner beans. Got this onion that is flowering, and I'm going to harvest the seeds when they're done. And another tomato plant and another flower that has little pods actually, what I haven't noticed. Some strawberries that's still green, some sunflowers, beetroots, tomatoes, dwarf beans and runner beans, and then 2 things that are waiting to rot down a bit more. I'm only going to be quick though because I'm dragging this video in. Got some a whole line of tomatoes, 2 cucumber plants, all my carrots that I planted, some more mint, peppers, cherry tomatoes, lettuce that ain't growing, and then them 3 pots should be strawberries that I planted the other day. More tomatoes, some cherries that aren't growing, blueberries that I don't know if that is a blueberry seedling or not, some strawberries that aren't really growing for some reason. Pretty much it, I think. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment if you want more videos. I know I haven't been posting 2 recently, but thanks for watching, and bye.